It's nothing. See? Jacob's trying to hog his now. He's probably gonna break his. There he goes under the thing.
Look at that shark.
You see it? That's a huge one, ain't it?
Is that what you got?
Yeah. Big old catfish. That's what it is, big old catfish. We're going to, buddy. Just calm down, would you? Get on over there. Get on over there.
You don't hold it?
No. You good?
Have you seen it?
I want to get a good flip of him right here. Where's he at? I don't see him. There he is. Bring him up, Alex. Bring him on up. Bring him up, Alex.
Yeah, don't get your head over in front of that rod.
Snap. Snap. There we go. Come on. Come on up right there.
Yeah, there he is.
There he is. Is that a good picture of him?
Yeah.
I can't see him. Look, come on up. I can't see him my daggone thing here. I can't see him my video.
Oh, it's a big shark.
That's a nice flounder there. And get him up one more time, Alex. I'm gonna cut it. You ready? You ready? Alright. Pick him up. Throw his nose here. You ready? You done? Are you done? You done? Alright, you're done.
Good catch, babe.